8:20, and it's time for our Hot to Watch segment. Our SoCo CW star Matthew Wessler is here to tell us what's happening this weekend. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you? It's finally nice to sit.
I never get to sit here.
I don't.
I want to know what's hot to watch. Come
well,
on.
I do, and I want to know what's your favorite book right now.
I'm not reading a book right now, but I really got into the Twilight things.
Oh, nice.
I know, yeah. You know, I think it spans like ages, men, women, but yeah,
That's
and I'm
awesome.
definitely Team Jacob.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Team Jacob. I'm reading Love in Time of Color right now.
Oh.
An old classic. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
the classics are great.
It is a very good classic. Well, Fox 21 actually has quite a bit going on this weekend. We have the Tampa Rays versus the Dodgers at 1:30 on Saturday. And then over on SoCo CW, we have the movies. We have on Saturday, we have G-Force at noon. And then we have Beautiful at 3 p.m. on Saturday. And then we have Ghost Ship, which I like, my horror. I like the horror movies.
I
That's
do
my
too.
kind of genre.
Yeah, do you
Is
like-
at 10 p.m.
Dean Koontz books, have you read any of his?
I have. I've read like one.
Oh, I
yeah,
love his.
Exactly.
Okay, the kind of the horror genre.
The
there.
horror, I do. I like the
Yeah.
horror. But then if you're not into the horror and you want to flip over to Fox, we do have the Teen Choice Awards at 7 p.m. on
Yes.
Sunday, which is exciting. And they have hosts that you might not know this, both got their start on Fox. We have Lucy Hale, who is on ABC's Little Pretty Liars, but she got her start on American Juniors. And then we also have Darren Criss,
Yes.
who is on Glee, which they're going to be doing a tribute to the late Corey Monteith on the show.
Okay, and this is the first time I think they've hosted this.
It is,
before,
yeah.
so
Is your daughter excited for this?
She's very excited. I will definitely be watching with her.
That's
so.
good. They have some good performers too. They have Demi Lovato on.
I love
and,
Demi Lovato.
yeah,
I love Demi Lovato.
One Direction's
yeah.
on there too, debuting a new song.
Okay.
So it'll be good. But if you guys want to get out on Sunday, on Saturday, we have the Kids First Safety Day at the Chapel Hills Mall. The event starts at 10 a.m. and goes until 6 p.m. And there will be car seat safety checks, K9 demonstrations, helicopters, and Smokey the Bear will even make an appearance. And if you want to come meet me, I will be there as well because
Yeah.
I am actually hosting the event. I will be there from about 11 till 4. So if you want to come out and say hello, you definitely should come out and say hello.
Absolutely.
But also, we want to make sure that the fans are getting involved with our Hot to Watch, so please be tweeting us at SoCoCW or at Fox 21 with the hashtag Hot to Watch, so then you can tell us what is hot to watch here in Southern Colorado.
Yeah, well, you know, there's lots going on.
There's a
Sometimes
lot.
you can miss some of those stuff.
Exactly,
so
like
let
the
us know.
diversity thing going
Yeah.
on and everything. There's just stuff, there's a lot of stuff going on.
Head out to the mall, see Matthew in person. this
Exactly,
weekend.
yeah. And now I'll come say hi. I'll sign your babies or whatever.
Sign your babies?
Or whatever. You know how the presidents do it
Yeah,
and stuff like that.
they kiss the babies.
Okay,
Do they
kiss,
sign the babies?
sign the babies.
All
I
right,
don't know.
whatever.
Whatever.
He'll, say, he'll give a hug to your baby.
Exactly. I'll
Anyway.
give a hug to your baby, and then that, though, is what is hot to watch.
All right, lots going on as usual. Matthew, thanks so much.
Thank you.
We'll
It was
see you
great.
next week. Right now, we need to check the forecast.